Lemon curd is amazing, smooth, tart, sweet, creamy, and delicious. It can also be lumpy, grainy, scorched, metallic tasting, and sentence you to an episode of prolonged stirring over a hot stove. This Instant Pot recipe is delicious and solves all of those problems. After some research and experimentation, I came up with this recipe for the Instant Pot that I think is perfect. Let's get going. Start with 2 whole eggs, plus 4 additional yolks. Add 1 cup of white granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend until the sugar is dissolved and creamy. Next, you'll need 1/2 cup of fresh, not bottled, lemon juice. Most recipes say that Meyer lemons taste better, and since our lemon tree is Meyer, that's what I'm using, but you can use whatever you have available. Depending on their size, you'll likely need 2 to 3 lemons. This recipe does not call for zest, and that's one of the reasons I like it. It's delicious and lemony without the weird zest texture. That being said, if you're a zest fan, go ahead and add 1 lemon's worth. Strain the juice into the egg-sugar mixture to remove any seeds and pulp. Give it another good mix and make sure it doesn't feel grainy. Add 1 cup of water to the bottom of your Instant Pot, then place your curd mixture onto the trivet in a heat-safe container. Cover the container with a non-sealing lid or aluminum foil to avoid allowing steam and water to get in. Lock down the lid, set the release valve to closed, and select pressure cook for 3 minutes. When the 3 minutes are up, let the pot natural release for 10 minutes and then open the pressure valve. Remove the mixture and add 1/2 cup of butter immediately while it's still hot. A little whisk and the butter will melt and the texture will become creamy smooth. At this point, you can just put a lid or cellophane over the bowl, or you can transfer the mixture into the container of your choice. This is not a canning video and the curd will require refrigeration. Once chilled, the mixture will become thick and ready to enjoy. I hope you like this to-the-point video and take a second to help us by subscribing to our channel. You'll then see the other great things that we've been up to. That's it for the recipe, but if you're interested, here's what we learned about lemon curd. 2/3 cups of lemon juice is really tart, so we reduced the juice measure down to 1/2 cup. One recipe called for 9 minutes of cooking and 3 minutes natural release. That was really grainy and weird. I highly recommend a wand mixer, and it's better to overmix than undermix. You can also make the recipe right in the same container that you'll be cooking it in. To avoid a metallic taste, use a glass or stainless steel container. With so much lemon flavor, I suspect that putting the vanilla in is pointless, and the next experiment that we do, we're going to just leave that out. I don't even think it added anything. Some of the recipes we tried used unsalted butter, and if you used unsalted butter and then added the salt back in, salt's a great flavor enhancer, and I see no reason to use unsalted butter. Just grab a cube from the refrigerator and throw it on in. Let me know what you think in the comments. I really think this is a great way to get reliable results without the risk of scorching and no stirring over a hot stove. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.